Hi, myself Faisal, a fifth-year law student at Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi. As a part of our summer internship program at Bihar State Legal Service Authority, Patna, Bihar, we are here with a short video on most significant and thought-provoking schemes of National Legal Service Authority of India. One by one, we will be explaining each of them.
Drug abuse is not just a health issue, it's a legal and human right issue. That's why in 2015, the National Legal Service Authority (NALSA) launched a scheme to provide free legal aids to victims of drug abuse. So whether someone is addicted, falsely accused, or needs a rehabilitation, they have legal rights. These schemes ensure they get legal representation, access to treatment, and help reconnecting with society without judgment. So, अपने लिए, अपनों के लिए, say no to drugs, say yes to life. Thank you.
Under this scheme, Legal Service Authority at all levels, state, district and taluka, they all reach out to affected individuals, especially in slums, prison and juvenile homes. There are also awareness programs, literacy camps and rehabilitation linkages with NGOs and government health schemes. The goal? To reduce stigma and promote healing and guide victims away from crime, not punish them. And it doesn't just stop there. This scheme also works to prevent drug abuse by collaborating with schools, colleges and youth groups. It's a part of a bigger version, a society where we don't just fight drugs, but with laws we can reduce them by compassion, support and justice. Because every victim of drug abuse deserves a second chance, and the law is here to help them find their way.
Hello everyone, me Shivangi from Chanakya National Law University and Samiksha will be dealing with one of the great initiatives taken by Bihar State Legal Services Authority. Sitara, Scheme for Integration of Transgender Person and their Rehabilitation and Providing Access to Justice 2023 is a Bihar-wide initiative to integrate, rehabilitate and ensure access to justice for transgender person. This scheme has been framed keeping in view that discrimination against transgender person is a social evil, and Bihar State Legal Services Authority is cognizant of the fact that transgender person is one of the most vulnerable and the marginalized section of the society. Multidimensional issues includes mental health issues, sanitation, access to education, access to justice, social exclusion, discrimination, etc. Therefore, in order to monitor the proper implementation of Transgender Person Protection of Rights Act 2009 and to take initiative for the overall welfare of the transgender person, Bihar State Legal Services Authority has formulated a scheme for the entire state of Bihar. This scheme is extended to the entire state of Bihar.
सितारा स्कीम के अंडर दो तरीके की कमेटी को स्टैब्लिश किया गया है, जिसमें से पहली कमेटी है स्टेट लेवल कोर कमेटी फॉर ट्रांसजेंडर। ये कमेटी ट्रांसजेंडर्स के लिए बने गए पॉलिसीज पर डिसीजन लेती है और उन पॉलिसीज को मॉनिटर करती है। ये कमेटी हर 3 महीने पर एक मीटिंग करती है, जिसमें ट्रांसजेंडर को सोसाइटी के मेन स्ट्रीम से जोड़ने के लिए ये डिसीजन लेती है। दूसरी कमेटी है डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल वर्किंग कमेटी फॉर ट्रांसजेंडर। ये कमेटी कोर कमेटी के द्वारा लिए गए डिसीजंस को इम्प्लीमेंट करती है और साथ साथ ये भी इंश्योर करती है कि अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड फंक्शनरीज के बीच में कॉर्पोरेशन को स्टैब्लिश किया जाए।
BSLSA and District Legal Services Authority shall coordinate with Social Security Department and Social Welfare Department to organize training and orientation program for state level, district level, block level, village level for paralegal volunteers, panel advocates, student volunteers and legal aid clinic for proper implementation and deeper engagement of the scheme.
सितारा स्कीम के अंडर अलग अलग लीगल सर्विस इंस्टीट्यूशंस ये इंश्योर करती है कि ट्रांसजेंडर्स पर्सन्स को उनके बेसिक लीगल राइट्स का एक्सेस मिल सके और साथ ही साथ स्टेट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सब डिविजनल लेवल पर उनको लीगल एड प्रोवाइड किया जाए। बिहार स्टेट लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी सितारा स्कीम के तहत न केवल ज़रूरत ट्रांसजेंडर्स को लीगल एड प्रोवाइड करती है, बल्कि प्रिंट एंड डिजिटल मीडिया जैसे कि दूरदर्शन, FM चैनल्स और रेडियो के माध्यम से इस स्कीम को प्रोपगेट भी करती है।
Bihar State Legal Services Authority shall issue one dedicated helpline number and email for transgender person. The email shall be manned by the transgender person so that grievances can be addressed and routed to concerned District Legal Services Authority for taking immediate action. So overall, Sitara builds an institutional framework from state to village with monitoring, training, awareness program, legal aid, ensuring social inclusion, access to justice and welfare.
ASHA stands for Awareness, Support, Help and Action. Is a scheme run by the National Legal Service Authority meant to prevent the child marriages in India. The Honorable Supreme Court, in the case of Independent Thought vs Union of India, has highlighted the issue of child marriage in India. Further, in another case of social enlightenment and voluntary actions and another's versus Union of India, the Honorable Supreme Court has observed certain guidelines in order to address the issue of prevention of child marriage in India.
This scheme aims to stop child marriages, help the children who are affected, and make sure such things don't happen to them again. Under this plan, a group called Asha Unit will be set up in every district. This unit includes judges, lawyers, police officers, and doctors. They will work together to stop child marriage, take action on complaints, and help the children who were forced to marry. The unit will also spread awareness in school, colleges, villages, and throughout social media and via street plays. Children who are the victims will be given counseling, shelter, legal help, education, and job training so that they can have a better life. This scheme is also a big step towards building a safer and better future for all children in India.
तमाम जो बताई गई योजनाएं विधिक सेवा से संबंधित है। अपना कानूनी बचाव करना सबका अधिकार है और ये तीनों राष्ट्रीय विधिक सेवा प्राधिकार द्वारा चलाए जा रहे हैं। तीनों योजनाएं सक्षम रूप से कार्यरत हैं।